Back to another episode cooking with Dave in the kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how I made this nice famous fudge with pecans. Very easy, delicious, rich. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, what I want to do is I want to bring a cup and a half a cup of sugar. Okay, then I want to add in my evaporated milk, and you want about 2 to 3 cups of evaporated milk. Next you want 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Okay, we're going to turn this on. And we're just going to cook this until it all melts together. Okay, you want to put in 2 cups of marshmallows. And over that, you want to pour in your hot batter here. Okay, you want to add in your vanilla extract. And you want to put in your chocolate chip a little bit at a time. We're going to put a little bit of pecans, chopped pecans in this. Not a whole lot, a little bit. We're going to sprinkle the rest on top and put it in the pan. Okay, here we go. Make sure all this gets in. Very important. We're going to sprinkle on the rest of the pecans. Look at that. It's been in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and while it's looking good, let's take a closer look at that fudge bar with a little bit of pecans on top of it. Yeah, very delicious. We're gonna cut this up and come back. We're back now. Take a look at that fine, famous brown or fudge, delicious fudge, and we're gonna take a taste on this fudge right there. Look at that beauty, that pecans chopped up on top of it. That is so delicious. God, that's good. Anyways, I want to appreciate us all for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, hit that bell. Do hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. Because if you don't hit that bell, you won't get none of my notifications. It's very important to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I'll see you next time.